cannot connect the dots looking forward. The only way you can connect them is looking backwards. Now I'm pretty sure that you must have guessed the person who said these words. Yes, Steve Jobs, the person behind the success of Apple, someone who used to attract hundreds of people like a magnet when he used to go on stage to speak, and even before he could complete his presentation, people were ready to buy what he wanted to sell. Hello everyone, Heather here, and in this video I'm going to share about how can you speak like Steve Jobs. I'm going to share the 5 presentation secrets by Steve Jobs, and that will help you to be a hero in front of your audience. So before giving this 5 presentation secrets, let me tell you about my story for the first time when I heard about Steve Jobs, and not only heard his speech but gave his speech for the first time. So I was in my junior college, and there is this common practice in every junior college that they have this competition for the Mr. and Mrs. of that college. So the boys compete for the Mr. X of the college, and the girls compete for the Mrs. ka title. So I was someone who did not participate in event much, but I was told by my faculty to go and participate and represent our department. So I thought that the only thing that I had to do was dress well and walk on the stage, and that was it. So I dressed myself up, walk on the stage, and I got selected in the first round. So in the second round, what we had to do was that we had to give a presentation of our skills. So there were so many talented people over there. Someone were musicians, someone were singers, a few of them were dancers, and I started to think that what will be that one thing that I will present. So the only thing that I could think of was giving a presentation. So I went on Google, I searched for a speech, and the first speech that came on the search engine was the speech by Steve Jobs, which he gave at the Stanford College. So that speech had 3 stories, 3 parts, out of which the third one was story of debt. So I learned that and I gave that speech. I did not got selected, or I did not win that competition, but that day changed my life because I got to know about Steve Jobs. After that, I read his books, I watched his movies, I watched his speeches, and I've learned so much from Steve Jobs. So let's start with the 5 presentation secrets by Steve Jobs. The first one is build a structure and create a roadmap. Now, giving a speech is like guiding people on a tour. Giving people a proper structure and a roadmap about what you are going to speak is what Steve Jobs believes is the one thing that helps your audience to be with you till the end. If you tell them the structure of your presentation and you show them a roadmap about how your presentation will flow, it will leave no option but people will stick to you till the end. The second thing is the power of 3. Now, Steve Jobs had this philosophy in life, and that is the reason that the iPhone has only 1 button. He believed in the power of less, and he believed in power of 3, where in his speeches he never used to give messages in more than 3 or 4 lines, and majorly he used gave messages in the number of 3 because he thought that people were able to retain information more when given in numbers of 3. The third thing is introducing a villain and revealing a hero. Now, as humans, we are always fond of stories, and Steve Jobs knew this. Always in his presentation, in the initial start of the presentation, he used to address people's problem and target the competitive features of the competitors and introduce them as villains. After building that up, he used to finally give out and reveal the advanced version or the new version of iPhone as the hero that eliminates all those villains, eliminates all those features that causes problem to the audience. Now, this technique gave the audience a wow moment where they believed Apple as their hero. We as humans always want to be with the hero and fight that villain and be on the right. And Steve Jobs always made them feel as that they were with the hero. The fourth thing is KISS. Yes, keeping it simple. Steve Jobs, if you hear any of his speeches, you will notice that one thing is the ordinary language that he uses. He always believed and he always said that your speech is for your audience to understand. So why make it complicated? He used to use such common words that even a layman could understand. Even after being in a technological company, being in a technical background, he never used jargons that the audience could not understand. And that is the reason the audience never got bored in Steve Jobs' speeches. And the last and the fifth presentation secrets by Steve Jobs was to focus on people. He was a person who used to think about people, who used to care about people, who used to talk about people, and he used to present the problems of people in such a way that even the person himself could not describe. This made people to love him. This made people to believe in him. And whatever he used to recommend, people were willing to buy. And these 5 secrets were the secrets that made him the one of the best sellers, the marketers, and the presenter that we could have. I hope that these 5 presentation secrets will help you use it in your life, get the most out of it, and share this video with all the people who this video could provide value to. Do like and subscribe my channel. Hope to see you again very soon.
So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in something, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. Because believing that the dots will connect down the road will give you the confidence to follow your heart, even when it leads you off the well-worn path. And that will make all the difference.